I am making some turkey kielbasa with carrots and broccoli and onions. Onions don't take that long to cook, but I kind of want to get them caramelized, so I'm going to let them cook slow and low. That's what they say, right? Carrots take a long time, so I threw them in the pan first. Now I got a pack of broccoli. Throw that in. I like broccoli, really doesn't take that long, but see, I don't like that, so we're gonna get rid of this one. I already rinsed this bag yesterday. I'm just, because I used it yesterday for whatever the hell. I'm gonna let this go. I'm gonna pour a little more oil on it. This is garlic oil. And Rachel Ray, if you hear me, this is supposed to be a resting spoon, but I don't understand where it rests. So fix it. It's been about 10 minutes. The carrots look caramelized pretty well. Onions are definitely done, as you can see. And then broccoli's good. Everything is good, beautiful. Rice, 90 minutes or seconds or whatever, and we actually pretty like it. So, oh, put it on this one.